build it like a sandcastle. Oh, don't get dust.
Can we see
Daddy,
any
are you-
potatoes yet?
I see. I found one that's sliced open.
Oh, nice.
Hurry up, someone.
Okay, that's from the leftovers.
What?
That's what we started.
Yeah.
Got some.
Mommy, it's coming.
Yay.
I found this perfect one.
Yes.
I found it. Here they are. Look, this one didn't grow.
Oh, look. Little tiny one.
Look at. Oh wait, guys, I found it perfect. Look at this perfect one. So pretty.
What?
On the bag. Look at this
Oh, I
perfect.
see.
Let me see.
Look at this perfect one. I picked it by myself. Oh. Okay, I am the winner.
All right, let me bring the basket.
I am a winner of potatoes, and I found one. Yay. Hey guys, I just found this. I don't know what to do. Do I get to play in the dirt? Do I get to play in the dirt or what?
Yes, start getting all the potatoes and put them in here.
So that's what I do. I just read your mind. This is like playing basketball except with potatoes. Right? Right. Who was the first one to find potatoes? Pop that up. This is like, look at this guy. This looks like,
The dirt actually smells like potatoes. Like
This-
it actually. Sure.
guys, this actually looks,
Oh wow! Look at this.
these guys are not staying in here forever. Oh, saw one. Look at that guy. Look at him.
Hmm.
Hey guys, this kind of looks like a butt.
Okay.
Do we get to pick this one?
Yeah, we get the. I
That-
was told that the small ones cost a lot of money.
What? Well, I was told